I'm lost for words. Where was this pitch? By the way, check out my new sports TikTok fantasy channel. I tagged it.